All right, y'all, let's give it up for the notification squad. We have our first 3 comments right here. Shout out to them. And what is going on, my shady gang? What is up? It is your girl Shay. Welcome to MakeupShae. If this is y'all first time,
Yo,
What's up?
welcome. What's up, my old subbies? How you doing, boo? I see you, girl. Girl, I see you. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the bell. Make sure you tap all. As soon as you tap that bell, slap that notification bell, y'all, so y'all can get notified every time I upload a video. Make sure y'all looking out for my posts, my community posts, because I will be telling y'all when a video is coming out, just in case you do not get the notification bell, because my twin told me that she did not see none of my videos. So y'all got to make sure y'all looking at my community tab. That way y'all know every time I upload a video, just in case the notification tab don't work, okay? The bell don't work. Y'all know how it go. Anyway, I created this look right here, and pretty much it is a recreation, kind of, sort of, possibly, okay? Because I just watched the video from Beauty by Deb. Hey girl, hey Deb! If you're watching this, hey girl, hey. Yes, I was inspired by your look after I commented on your video that I saw yesterday. I was like, I got to try this out. So here it is in its glory, a glitter non-cut crease look. And for real, y'all, I'm starting to like non-cut creases. Don't mind my wig, y'all. It is not on properly, so don't come for me in the comment boxes. I just threw this on because I needed something to look be done, you know, okay? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want to see any certain colors, looks, just let me know down below. My email address is in my description box, so if you guys want to send me pictures of things that I could possibly recreate, I'll try my best. But yeah, anyway, this is too long. It's already hitting 2 minutes. I love y'all. Thank y'all. Oh, and I forgot, we just hit 1.5K. Now we got 1510, okay? So yay, let's get to 2,000, y'all, because my goal for 2020 is to get 5,000 subscribers on my channel and get at least 2,000 followers on my Instagram. So y'all make sure y'all go to my Instagram, spam the hell out of that shit, just subscribe, follow, all that. Show your girl some love. Spam, share it. I don't care, you know. I'm trying to get these videos, y'all. So I hope y'all feeling this look. I got to go. I'll holla at y'all in the next video.
tracks today. Purchase your 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 tracks today.